Good afternoon, children. Already have completed exercise 4.1. Today I will start exercise 4.2, that is divisibility test of natural numbers. Last year also you have done some rule you know, some few rules you know. Divisible by 2, divisible by 3, divisible by 4 and 5. I think you have last year you have read. Okay, so this time divisibility by, please see your book. All the rules are written in the book. That's why I have not shown in the copy. Okay, when a number is divisible by 10, the unit place digit is 0, then the number is divisible by 10. If the unit place digit is 5 or 0, then the number is divisible by 5. Okay. Divisible by 2, divisibility by 2. If the number, all even numbers are divisible by 2. That is, the unit place digit will be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Then the number will be even number. Okay. Then divisibility by 4. If the number last two digits of a number is divisible by 4, then the number is divisible by 4. Divisibility by 8. If last three digit of a number is divisible by 8, then the number is divisible by 8. Okay. Then the number is divisible by 8. Divisibility by 3. If sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. Divisibility by 9 also same as 3. The number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digit is divisible by 9. Divisibility by 11. What is the rule? First you see sum of the digits at odd places, what is? Then sum of the digits at even places, what is? Then find that difference. If the difference is divisible by 11, then the number is also divisible by 11. See the first sum of the digits at odd place, it is coming 12. Sum of the digits at even place, it is coming also 12. Okay, then the difference is coming what? 12 minus 12, it is 0. 0 is divisible by 11, so the number is also divisible by 11. Second one, you see difference is coming 2. 2 is not divisible by 11, so the number is not divisible by 11. Then third one, 25 minus 3, it is coming 22. 22 is divisible by 11, so the number is also divisible by 11. Okay, like this you have to do the sums. Already I have shown few sums from your exercise. Exercise 4.2. What is given? Wait. Exercise 4.2. See the sum. Already I have written. First is asking which of the numbers are divisible by 5 or by 10. Which numbers are divisible by 5? Just now I told you the unit place digit is 5 or 0, then the number is divisible by 5. And unit place digit of a number is 0, then the number is only divisible by 10. Okay. So what is first one, you see few sums, not all sums I have done. Which one I have not done, that one do by yourself. With the help, which one I have done, you can take the help from those sums. Okay. Sum number. The numbers which is divisible by 5 are. Which are divisible? Just now I told the last digit is 5, unit place digit is 5 or 0. 3725, unit place digit is 5. 48970, unit place digit is 0. 4760035, unit place digit is 5. 450010, so unit place digit is 0. That's why the numbers are divisible by 5. Next one, numbers are divisible by 10. Just now I told if unit place digit is only 0, then it is divisible by 10. So how many numbers are coming? Only 2 numbers. Among them only 2 numbers is coming. Okay, others not. Others are not divisible by 10. Okay, so next one. Number 2. Number 2 also. Number 2 is asking the numbers which are divisible by the numbers which are divisible by 2. Wait, you have the written number 2 it is. Number 2. Which numbers is divisible by, just now I told by 2 it is, that means the unit place digit will be 0, 2, 4, 0, 8, 4, 8, 6, 8. That means all even numbers are divisible by 2. So here is which numbers are even, that one I have searched and written. And some number, then which numbers are divisible by 4. If last two digit is divisible by 4, then the number is also divisible by 4. That one by searching I have done it. Next one, divided divisible by 8. If last three digits of a number is divisible by 8, then the number is also divisible by 8. Okay, then go to the next sum. Go to the next sum. Please see the sum properly. No confusion will be there. What is the rule? I have followed the rule and do the sum. You can do by following the divisibility test. Following the rules of the divisibility test. Number 3. Number 3 is asking the numbers, a few numbers are given, which numbers are divisible by 3 or 9. Just now I told, what is the rule? Rule is sum of the digit is divisible by 3, sum of the digit is divisible by 3 or 9, then the number is also divisible by 3 or 9. Okay, if it is divisible by 3, then sum of the digits, then the number is also divisible by 3. If the sum of the digit is divisible by 9, then the number is also divisible by 9. Same way I have done number 1, I have seen sum is coming 15, so it is divisible by 3. The number is also divisible by 3. But 15 is not divisible by 9, so the number is not divisible by 9. Second one I have done, 590 sum is coming 18. So 18 is divisible by 9, 9 and 3 both. So the number is also divisible by 9 and 3 both. Next one, addition by adding all the digits, it's coming 27. 27 also divisible by 3 and 9 both. So the number is divisible by 3 and 9 both. Okay. So the number is divisible by 3 and 9. Next one, number 4. Asking the which numbers are divisible by 11. What the rule I told? First I have to find out the sum of the digits at odd places what is coming, and sum of the digits at even places what is coming. That one I have searched. I have done. What is coming? Sum of the digits at odd place it is coming 17, and sum of the digits at even place it is coming 17. So what is the difference? Difference is coming 0. 0 is divisible by 11, so the number is also divisible by 11. Okay, then I have done next one, number 5. Which numbers are divisible by 6? A number is divisible by 6 when the number is divisible by 2 and 3 both. So first I will see what is the rule. Divisible by 2. If it is even, then the number is divisible by 2. The number last digit is 6. So the number is even. So the number is divisible by 2. I have written that one, the number is even. So it is divisible by 2. Okay. Then next one, what is? Sum of the digits. Sum of the digit is coming 21. 21 also it is divisible by 3. So the number is also divisible by 3. Then the number is divisible by 6. Why? As it is divisible by both 2 and 3. Same way, the now sum number 5 also I have done. Other sums do by yourself. Okay, up to 5 I have done. Next day I will complete 6 to 14. Few sums I will give homework. Which one I will not do, that is your homework. Okay? Okay, save your life, stay at home. Thank you, children.